Good morning, children. How are you, children? I am fine, children. Master Arjun, please stand up. Now, we shall learn Sea Turtle section 2. Okay. Master Arjun, please say the 5 sea turtles' name. Did you? Please. He did not know. Okay. Please say any one of the sea turtle name. Yes. Yes. No, Hollywoodly. Very good. Very good. Please, all of you clap for Master Arjun. Please sit down. Now, Miss Ramya, stand up. Say any two varieties of sea turtles name. Yes. Miss Ramya, say olive ridley and hawksbill. Very good. Please, all of you clap for Miss Ramya. Very, very. Please sit down. Okay. I will explain first section. Okay. In our world, we have two varieties of sweet tortoise. One variety is tortoise. Another variety is sea turtle. Sea turtles are live in ocean. Tortoises live in land. So land dwellers. These are all sea dwellers. Okay. Water dwellers. Okay. In our world, 7 varieties of sea turtles live in the world. But now we have only 5 varieties alive in the world. Alive means live. Okay, live in the world. In India, we have a lot of olive ridley sea turtles live in the world. The sea turtles come to seashore because they lay their eggs and once again go to their sea. Okay. In among the sea turtles, olive ridley is the smallest sea turtle in the world. At the same time, the leatherback sea turtle is the biggest sea turtle in the world. Okay. So it will grow up. Leatherback sea turtle grow up almost 2.2 meter. But the olive ridley is the smallest sea turtle in the world. Okay. Now I shall read section 2. You will underline the new words. Okay. Don't repeat after me. Between the months of January and March, female olive ridleys come ashore at night to lay their eggs. This is quite a problem for them as a turtle's front flippers enable it to swim gracefully and effortlessly, but aren't very useful for moving on land. The turtle has to haul itself laboriously onto the beach. Then it chooses a spot well away from the high tide line. Here, it scoops out a nest cavity 45 centimeters deep into which it lays about 100 eggs. Each egg is in the shape and size of a table tennis ball. Once all the eggs are laid, the turtle fills in the cavity. Then it camouflages the nest by tossing sand on it using its flippers. That done, it returns to the sea. The eggs are left to incubate under the warmth of the sun. In many places around the world, local people follow the tracks of the turtle to its nest. They collect the eggs for eating. Jackals, domestic dogs, and pigs too dig up and eat the eggs by following the scent left by the turtle. Those eggs that escape such people and predators, predators, sorry, not predators, predators, it's the correct pronunciation, okay? P R E D A T O R S, predators, hatch 45 to 60 days later. The hatchlings slash open the leathery snout. When most of the eggs have hatched, the hatchlings push themselves upwards through the sand and emerge on the surface of the beach. From here, they make a hurried dash to the sea. Okay. Now, I will read the section 2. You will repeat after me. Now, I will explain section 2. Okay. The Olive Ridley came to the seashore the months of January, February, March. Okay. At the time of night, they came to the seashore and dig the sand. Almost 45 centimeter, 45, almost at this level, 45 centimeter depth. They use their limbs. Limbs mean we have hands and legs. At the same time, turtles have their limbs, front limb, back side, rear limb. They use their limbs and dig the sand and lay the eggs into the dig. And the egg size is the table tennis ball size. Okay, table tennis ball, and the Olive Ridley egg size also almost equal. Okay, at one time or each time the Olive Ridley lay 100 eggs. Okay, and then it will go back to the sea. At the same time, some jackals, some sea crows, some animals follow the turtles because of they want to eat the turtle's egg. Okay. At the same time, people also go and search the turtle's eggs and take for their food. Okay. The Olive Ridley and the turtles incubate under the warmth of the sun. Warmth of the sun. 45 to 60 days it will 45 to 60 days after the laying of the eggs. 45 to 60 days the hatchlings come out from the eggs. Okay. When the hatchlings means small, tiny turtle from the egg. When they came out from the egg, that was called as hatchling. Okay, plural hatchlings. The hatchlings came out from the egg, these eggs, and it want to urge to go to the sea. It will go very fast move to the sea, because the jackal, the crow, the people, the dog, search the hatchlings and it will eat for their food. Okay, so we learn the section 2. Okay, I will show the image. Olive Ridley lay its egg at the seashore at the time of night. Okay, now I will read the new words. Flippers, flat limb used for swimming. Okay, uh, the turtle used the limbs for swimming. All and another side, it will come at the land. It will dig the sand for laying their egg. Okay, so next. Predators, okay, not predators, predators, animals that kill other animals for food. uh, Tiger kill the deer, tiger kill the deer, and snake kill the frog. So these are all called predators. Okay, animals that kill for animals for food. Next, laboriously, with great effort. That means the turtles go to the sea. Small hatchlings go to the sea, and the sea turtle laboriously dig the land for to lay their eggs. Okay, laboriously meaning with great effort, with great effort, with full effort. Okay, next, snout, pointed nose of an animal, pointed nose of an animal. Okay, camouflage. Okay, camouflage, hide or disguise something. Hide means hide. I hide my face. Okay, I hide my face with the help of the book. I hide my face with the help of the book. Okay, disguise means I disguise like a bird. Okay, I change my appearance like a bird. That is the disguise. Okay. Okay. Now we shall complete the section 2. Okay. You will go and sit in groups. You have divided in 4 groups. So you will go and sit in your groups and make some notes, take some notes, main points, write down on your rough note. Then you will write. Then you will write, draw mind map, and then you will come and consolidate the mind map and say each group or any group to in front of the classroom. Okay, please all of you do your mind map for. Okay, this is for the section 2 classroom. Thank you, children.